What is an ECN account in Forex? An ECN, Electronic Communication Network, account in Forex offers traders a direct connection to the global currency market. Unlike traditional brokerage accounts that act as intermediaries, ECN accounts link you directly to other market participants, including banks, hedge funds, and other traders. This direct access provides several advantages, including lower trading costs, faster execution, and greater transparency. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. ECN accounts operate by aggregating orders from various liquidity providers and matching them with other traders. This means you're trading against the market rather than against your broker. This direct market access allows you to see real-time quotes from multiple sources, enabling you to trade at the best available prices. Additionally, ECN accounts typically charge a small commission per trade, instead of marking up the spread, the difference between the bid and ask price, which can result in lower overall trading costs. One of the most significant benefits of ECN accounts is faster execution. Orders are matched directly with other market participants, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This reduces the likelihood of slippage, which occurs when an order is executed at a price different from the intended one due to market fluctuations. Faster execution can be particularly important for traders who rely on short-term trading strategies. Another advantage of ECN accounts is greater transparency. You can see the exact prices and conditions under which you're trading, providing you with a clearer understanding of the market. This transparency can help you make more informed trading decisions and reduce the risk of unexpected losses. However, ECN accounts are not suitable for all traders. They often require a higher minimum deposit and can be more complex to use than traditional accounts. Additionally, ECN accounts may be more volatile due to the direct exposure to the market. Therefore, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the Forex market and the risks involved before opening an ECN account. In conclusion, ECN accounts offer a number of advantages for traders who are looking for a more direct and transparent way to participate in the Forex market. By providing direct access to the global currency market, ECN accounts can help traders achieve lower trading costs, faster execution, and greater transparency. However, it's important to carefully consider your trading style and risk tolerance before deciding if an ECN account is right for you.